The National Weather Service has issued a dense fog advisory for the following counties: Natrona. This advisory is effective from 3:30 a.m. to 5:30 a.m. Do not drive until the advisory has ended. A dense fog is expected to roll into the Natrona area in the next half hour and produce very low visibility.
Stand by for more information and a message from the President after the attention tone.
The United States President, in cooperation with the White House and the Federal Emergency Management Agency, have issued an emergency action notification for the United States that is effective from now until further notice. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Unidentified troops have landed on the east coast of the United States in major cities including the following locations: New York City, Baltimore, Boston, Bangor, Savannah, and Washington, D.C. The President is in a secret location at this current time and will be speaking very shortly. At around 3:29 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a large amount of unidentified troops landed on the East Coast and started to invade major cities all across the eastern seaboard. These troops do not seem to be hostile to civilians, however, they may be caught up in crossfire. If you are in any states that are on the eastern coast, evacuate west now. If you are not able to evacuate, seek shelter. The President will now speak shortly. Please stand by.
Hello, my fellow Americans. This is the President speaking. At around 3:30 in the morning today, a large army of what is now reported to be Russian soldiers landed on our shores and started to invade major cities across the nation. This is a very serious situation, and it should not be taken lightly. The American people should not be afraid of the enemy, and we will fight back and win against the despicable people who have invaded our soil. We will continue to update you on the situation in these trying times in a timely manner. Good luck to all citizens of the United States, and may God bless us all in these trying times.
All normal programming has been suspended until further notice, and we will update you further on this dangerous situation in a quick and concise manner as new information is collected and verified. This channel will now go quiet until new information appears. God bless us all.